Hi guys, today I'm going to share a simple strategy on how to make $5,000 from $100 on binary options trading. But first, subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on the lessons. Also, join my Telegram channel where I share trading signals for free to help you earn money, and I personally answer your questions. We are not far from our goal of $5,000. The main thing is to repeat my strategy and analyze your trades. We increased our transaction amount by $718 and look for the next suitable situation. So we found the situation we needed. Open our deal for a 1-minute rise and wait. Everything is simple here. We see a sharp reversal of the graph and a chart that shows a confident rise. The deal was completed. Another successful transaction was added to our piggy bank and the balance is $1,387. We increased our transaction amount by $1,387 and look for the next suitable situation. So we found the situation we needed, open our downgrade deal for 1 minute and wait. Everything is simple here. We see a sharp reversal of the graph and a chart that shows a steady decline. The transaction was completed. Our balance was replenished in the amount of $2,677. It's time for the last deal before our cherished goal of $5,000. We increased the transaction amount by $2,677, open a deal for 1 minute to increase, as we see an active rise in the indicator chart and the intersection of moving lines. So the last deal came out in a plus. We observe the balance and rejoice. Our strategy is coming to an end. With the help of it, we have reached $5,167 from $100. All our deals were confidently successfully closed, which shows the success of the strategy that I showed you. Good luck and good profits to all. Do you see? No magic, just the right strategy. Do you want to increase your income through trading? Go to my Telegram channel and use my referral link to receive bonuses on Olymp Trade. If you liked it, click like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon, my future crypto millionaires!